Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, my name is Tobie and you are welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming the second look in my summer 2020 makeup trends series. If you haven't seen the first video, please check it out. I'm going to link it up right here, and it's going to be on the wing, what was it again? It's going to be on the graphic liner look, so make sure to check that video out. And today I'm going to be doing a basics neutral look. So we're still kind of like, you know, in quarantine-ish as people are kind of going out, but a lot of people are still not going out. So I think this look will be perfect for, like, you know, if you're trying to get on that Zoom call, maybe you have a phone interview, or maybe you have a video interview or something, or you're just trying to do something like super basic but still cute. So that's what this is. This is like a everyday type of makeup look, and the great thing about these looks is you can have it be basic right now, and then later on in the day, maybe you're going somewhere, you can kind of like up it by, like, you know, applying like a bold lipstick or like putting a little bit of shimmer on your eyelids, you know, something like that. So that's what this video is going to be. I'm going to be doing a voiceover, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and if you already subscribed but you haven't hit the bell, hit that bell notification, because whenever I upload a video, it's going to let you know. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I would really appreciate it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, I know you don't care about this, but I am recording from my closet to minimize the amount of noise that I typically get in the background. So I'm starting off with my Milk Makeup Primer, and face is all primed. Now I'm going in with my Nuben Beauty The Glow Highlighter in the shade Aurora, and this is going to give me that inner glow that we want. Okay, just because this is a neutral basics look does not mean we don't want to glow. We want to glow. Okay, it's summertime. Summer is for glowing. That's just what we do. Okay, so I'm blending it out with my brush. Just blend in, make sure that's all like not streaky, doesn't look a certain type of way. Now I'm going in with my Mented Cosmetics foundation. So this is a stick foundation. I really like this for the summertime because it is super lightweight and it's not gonna have me looking like a oily, greasy mess in a few hours, and it's kind of medium coverage. So yeah, I like this foundation, and it is Black owned. Okay, so go support Mented Cosmetics. They're awesome and they're affordable. Yay. Now I'm blending that out with a brush. You know, you want to make sure everything kind of looks smooth. Guys, everything I'm doing is quite self-explanatory. To be honest, if you've seen any of my videos, you've probably seen this whole process before. It's not different from what I do in most videos. So if you haven't, go check those videos out. All right, I would appreciate it. And now I'm taking a blender because I want all of that to just look like smooth and, like, you know, even and whatnot. So this is going to help me do that. I think I got this blender from my sister, I don't know. Now I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way, almost finished, as you can see from the scripts on the side, concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I am using that to highlight my immediate under eye area as well as everywhere else that the sun hits. So my nose, my chin, that's it. I don't like highlighting my forehead anymore. I don't know, I just don't. So that's where we're at. Now I'm going in with my NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Deep Walnut, and I'm using that to contour my cheeks to reduce this chubby face. And I'm cutting that chin down, you know, gotta snatch the jaw. And now I'm blending out with this brush that I got from Real Techniques. I love this brush. I learned about it from Kaiser Kobe. If you guys don't know who that is, that's okay, but you should check her out here on YouTube. Her makeup is always looking flawless, and I got that brush because of that. So now I am blending out with this blender. Do I have to keep going, guys, or should I just talk about something else? I don't know. I'm gonna keep going. I'm blending out my concealer now with a beauty blender, you know, just making everything even. It's quite self-explanatory, like I said before. It's all about blending, guys. That's like, makeup is literally 70% blending, not 80% blending, and like 20% putting the product on your face. So as long as you blend, you'll be fine for the most part. Obviously, blend in the right way. Now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in the shade medium deep. Okay, from my melanated sisters, from my chocolate sisters, get you that Laura Mercier in medium deep. It's gonna look good. It's bomb. It's fire. I love it. Okay, let's move on. Okay, I guess I'm still applying powder now. I should probably have cut this part out, but I did not. So watch on. Now I'm going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder, and I'm just using that to set the areas where I applied the concealer in the dark shade. Okay, and I am doing my brows off camera, of course. Cha-ching. Now I'm going in with my James Charles X Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking these 3 orange shades, placing them on my lids. It's not complicated, it's just 3 shades. Okay, the first orange is going in my crease, the third shade is going on my lid, and then the middle shade is going in my lower lash line, and that's your neutral basics look. I say this is a summer 2020 makeup trend because, again, considering, like, you know, coronavirus and everything, you're not really going out as much. You're not doing as much when it comes to, like, you know, going out, going to the beach or wherever else. So you're just keeping most things to like the bare minimum and the basics. So this look is perfect because you can wear this look to go to work. You can wear this look for a Zoom meeting. You can wear it to an interview. You can wear it to, like, you know, just going to your friend's house briefly, or you're just trying to, like, you know, do something little. You don't really need much because there really isn't that much to do summer 2020. So yeah, this is the look for you for summer 2020. It's a neutral basics look, and it's the easiest thing to do. As you can see, it's not taking me that much. I'm already done with like the base of the eyeshadow, and I'm just going in with my lower lash line now. So I'm gonna stop talking because I'm gonna let you guys just experience this part. Okay. So I decided to go in with a little bit of shimmer in my inner corner just because, you know, it's gonna make my eyes pop, and I like that. I like when my eyes pop. Now I'm going in with this black liner, and I'm using that to line my waterline. I have hooded eyes, so sometimes I don't like to line my actual eyes. Lining my waterline kind of gives me that pop that lining my actual eyes would give me. Now I'm going in with my mascara. This is from Maybelline, and this is the Big Shot mascara, and I'm just using that on my lashes. I'm not going to be using falsies today just because, I don't know, I feel like every day not falsies. Sometimes just wear your natural lashes, okay? While we're here, I just wanted to talk to you. Yes, you watching this video. Have you subscribed to my channel? Please do hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And also, if you like this video, you see that thumb, you can actually hit that. And you know what that does? It likes my video. Okay, thank you. Now I'm taking this shade that I use in my lower lash line along with that orange shade, and I'm using that as a blush. Guys, this is why I like eyeshadow palettes that have these type of tones, because you can use them, like, they're multi-use pretty much. And I'm taking this blush from ColourPop. It's like a shimmering blush, so I'm just using that to do a little bit of highlighting. I wasn't gonna do that, but I decided why not. So now I'm taking 2 lip colors. The brown one is from ColourPop, and it's called Anyways from the Ellery collection. And then on the left, I have the NYX Lingerie in Cashmere Silk. And I'm going to be using those 2 as my neutral lipsticks. This video is almost over, guys. Like, I hope you're enjoying it, okay? If you're still watching, I hope you've subscribed to my channel. I would really appreciate it, actually, because, guys, you know, it's time and effort that I put into these videos. I like making them, and, you know, if the videos don't, you know, pull in subscriptions or get views, it's kind of like, it feels pointless to an extent. Like, why am I doing it? Okay, so this is the final look, guys. I am going to take some setting spray now, and I'm just going to, like, bathe myself in that. First of all, you know, use a brush to kind of blend everything away. Now I'm spraying, and this is the final look. I look cute, don't you think so? I think I look like a snack. Hey. I put on some earrings, guys. I never do this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.